Welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and if there's one thing that I love, it is do-it-yourself projects. My therapy in life is creating something new every day. If you like to see what's new around here and be a part of my DIY is my happy place community, please subscribe and ring the bell to all and share the video out where you can. Now, let's have some fun. Christmas light boxes are one of the most budget-friendly easy crafts ever. It's so much fun to actually create decor out of very few supplies using items picked up at the dollar store. This decoration is made out of popsicle sticks, foil tissue paper, Dollar Tree lights, hot glue, Elmer's glue, paper clips, and ribbon. Remember back in kindergarten when we would build little houses out of popsicle sticks and glue? Well, this is just like that, but with a fancy twist. Start gluing 4 sticks together to make a square. Repeat this step 5 times until you have 5 hot glued squares. Now glue them all together, making a box. At the top of the box, hot glue 4 paper clips hanging down from the popsicle sticks on the inside to hold the lights. Now glue the tissue paper to the box using Elmer's glue. Leave the bottom empty so it can be open for lights. It's so simple. Add some ribbon, hook the lights to the paper clips inside the box. Boom, you're done. What a beautiful decoration using simple products. My passion in life is DIY projects. I'm a professional at nothing, but pretty good at quite a few things. If I see something I like, I study it out and see if I can DIY it for less. I DIY food, construction, fashion, and everything in between. DIY hits and misses. The process is my game. I feel like I could do just about anything if I watch enough how-to videos, then dig in and give it a try. If you like what you see here, comment below. Please keep it classy. Also, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of the new videos. Give this video a like and share it out where you can. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.